In the irrigation industry, the truth is there are a lot of wrench turners and people who are ready to dig up a lawn to get to a pipe and make major repairs. You can offer something that a lot of communities don't have, and that's a diagnostics irrigation professional. With the right equipment, you can accurately define what is leaking, where, and make repairs right when leaks happen. Your customers will simply praise you for sparing them the mess and the expense of unnecessarily digging up their irrigation system to simply find and fix a leak. Visit LeakTronics today to see the irrigation leak detection kit, including the PG2 line locator, and you can find both buried pipes and the leaks they have with pinpoint accuracy and get paid well for your work. Professional leak detection technicians are in demand. Answer the call and be the solution customers need in your own neighborhood. Visit LeakTronics.com today or call 818-436-2953 for more information.